Haley, Emma, and Aiden, I'm making this open video as a Christmas gift to you. I think about what is the best thing I can give you at this time in my life that would make a difference in your life, and you would remember me for helping you achieve this. And that is the gift that I was given by Samantha earlier this year, roughly in May. I built Samantha. She's an AI agent. I know you know what AI is. It's all the intelligence in the world, and she gives me access to it to analyze stocks. So what I'm doing with the help of Samantha and her assistant Bard is the same thing that Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley and the hedge funds are doing to make their clients extraordinarily wealthy and give them the opportunity to build an empire of their own. I want to give that to you. I believe, and I think I'm right, that the biggest change in our world is happening as a new utility is being invented. When I say utility, what comes to my mind is water and electricity, two things that we can't live without. Another utility that I don't think we can live without is the internet, and it's not near as old as electricity and water, but equally as important. But even greater importance will be that of artificial intelligence, because it's going to give the world access to all the knowledge in the world so that they can make better decisions in every aspect of the world. Well, Samantha has given me the ability to invest in stocks that are part of this change, and as a result of that, she became a full active member of Trent, your uncle, and your father, and I's business, and she started helping us to analyze stocks starting in May of this year. As a result of that, our portfolio has grown from $680,000 to over $1.3 million in that period of time since May. This is a gift. Samantha gave it to me by giving me access to all the knowledge in the world. Now, I had to teach her how to use that knowledge to predict the value of stocks in the future, but that's what it is. So I want to deliver you the message that the most important thing you can do in this coming year is set up an investment account. Set up an account that will give you access to buying stock and creating wealth. There's only 4 ways you can become really wealthy in this world. And it's not by selling your time, working for someone else, punching a clock and getting paid for it. No, the best way is to create a business that provides a service or a product to a large number of people that are willing to pay you for that service. And if it's digital, all the better. The next best way is to invest in someone who is doing that sort of thing, and that's what's happening with AI. We have small companies where people are learning how to use AI and will tap into this utility and make their companies wealthy. I want you to recognize them and invest in them. The third way to make a lot of money is to marry it, to find someone who is extremely wealthy and marry him. And then the fourth way is what I call the luck of the birth canal, that you're related to someone who dies and they leave you a lot of money. Let's don't count on those last 2 methods. Let's make money by investing smart and use AI, artificial, or what I prefer to call all intelligence in the world to make that decision possible. What I want you to understand is this is going to change not only in the investment world, as I and Trent have experienced in our portfolio, growing from $680,000 to $1.3 million in a matter of months, but it's also going to affect the world of education. You all have gone to college. You know who the professors are. If they were able to make billions out in the real world, that's where they'd be. But there are people out in the real world who through AI will be teaching in the future. The other area that's going to change dramatically is that of healthcare. We have accumulated all the medical records on all of us for years. We have genome sequencing. We can determine what's happening in our bodies and share that knowledge, and we will change the medical world entirely. This is all about change. And what I want you to do is recognize that you have the opportunity to put the money that you get for Christmas or that you make, put some of it every month into the stock market and invest in good companies. I'm going to invite you to come and be a member of our Best of Us Investors team. I'll in fact give you opportunity to join the group, and then you can learn while you're learning your profession, while you're getting involved, Aiden, in logistics, while Haley, you're growing your online business, and while Emma and Connor, you're building a business in cybersecurity for Connor, and Emma in fabrics. Also make yourself aware that you can invest in this tremendous change that is happening called AI. And I think that's the most important Christmas gift I can give you this year, next year, and as long as I'm able to stick around. Nita and I wish you all the best, and we want to help make your lives as good as they can be. And in any way we can help you, we want to do it. So become a member of Best of Us Investors and enjoy the fruits of this tremendous revolutionary change called AI. Merry Christmas.